This video will show you a Finelo app review.
Finelo offers structured courses on stock trading, cryptocurrency, and personal finance tailored for beginners. With interactive lessons and quizzes, it ensures an engaging learning experience. Its key features include AI powered chart analysis, real time market simulation, and personalized learning paths. Users can practice trading without financial risks, enhancing their skill confidently. So let's see right here if according to research is that their subscription starts with $6.93 per week with options for monthly and quarterly payments. However, some users have reported challenges with billing transparency and customer support. So, Finelo boasts a 4.7 rating on the App Store, reflecting its effectiveness in simplifying complex financial concepts. Yes, it's essential to be aware of potential subscription management issues.